Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Deals today. Suspecting that your partner might be hiding something from you can be emotionally overwhelming. While having a conversation is often the best approach, sometimes you may feel the need to uncover the truth discreetly. That's where technology comes in. In today's video, we'll walk you through the 7 best spy apps you can use to monitor a cheating spouse. These apps are designed to give you the information you need while remaining completely invisible. Let's get started. Starting off our list is mSpy, a well-known app in the world of phone monitoring. mSpy lets you monitor almost every activity on your spouse's phone, from reading their messages and viewing call logs to tracking their real-time location. It also allows you to see their activity on popular social media platforms. mSpy operates in stealth mode, meaning it runs discreetly in the background without being detected. Let's talk about mSpy key features. Text and call monitoring. mSpy lets you monitor text messages, iMessages, and call logs. You can view contact names, timestamps, and call durations. GPS location tracking. Track the real-time location of the device and review location history. You can also set up geofencing alerts to know when the device enters or exits a specific area. Social media monitoring. mSpy allows you to monitor popular social media apps like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Snapchat, and Instagram. Keylogger records all keystrokes, giving insight into what the user types, even deleted messages. Stealth mode operates in the background without the target person knowing it is installed. Let's talk about price. 1-month plan, $48.99 per month. 3-month plan, $28 per month. 12-month plan, $11.67 per month. Check description for special discount. Next, we have Spynger, a spy app that stands out for its simplicity and efficiency. With Spynger, you can track calls, messages, and real-time GPS locations without needing any technical knowledge. What sets Spynger apart is its ability to monitor multiple messaging apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Snapchat, all without rooting or jailbreaking the device. Spynger key features. Number 1. Call and text message monitoring. Allows you to view call logs and text messages, including deleted ones, making it easier to track suspicious activities. Number 2. Social media and IM tracking. Spynger tracks activities across multiple social media platforms, including WhatsApp, Instagram, and Snapchat, allowing you to see conversations and shared media. Number 3. GPS location tracking. Offers real-time GPS location tracking and location history, allowing you to know where the target device has been. Number 4. No root or jailbreak required. This app works on both Android and iOS without needing to root or jailbreak the device. Number 5. Stealth mode. The app remains invisible to the target user, running in the background undetected. Spynger pricing list. 1-month plan, $44.56 per month. Quarterly plan, $25.99 per month. Annual plan, $9.28 per month. Check description for special discount. Number 3. Moniterro. Moniterro is a simple yet powerful app designed to track the real-time location of a device. If your main concern is knowing where your spouse is, Moniterro has you covered. You don't need to install any software on the target device. All you need is the phone number, and Moniterro will send you real-time updates of the phone's location. Moniterro key features. Number 1. GPS location tracking. Moniterro tracks the location of a device in real time. All you need is the phone number to get location updates. Number 2. No installation required. There's no need to install the app on the target device. You simply enter the phone number and get access to the GPS location. Number 3. Real-time updates. Provides live location tracking, making it a great option if you only need to know where someone is. Moniterro pricing list. 1-day trial plan, 89 cents. 1-month plan, $49.80 per month. Check description for special discount. Number 4. EyeZy. EyeZy offers an all-in-one solution for tracking a partner's phone activity. It comes with features like keylogger, geofencing, and social media monitoring, giving you insights into their conversations, what they are typing, and even where they are going. EyeZy's geofencing feature lets you set boundaries, and you'll get alerted if the target device enters or leaves a designated area. EyeZy key features. Number 1. Keystroke Capture Keylogger. Tracks every keystroke entered on the device, helping you see conversations and login details. Number 2. Geofencing allows you to set boundaries on a map and receive alerts when the target device enters or exits these zones. Number 3. Screen Recording. EyeZy captures screenshots of the phone's activities, giving you a clear view of how the phone is being used. Number 4. Social Media Monitoring. Monitors popular social media platforms, including Facebook, Snapchat, and WhatsApp, to give you full access to chats and media. Number 5. Stealth Mode. Runs quietly in the background without being detected by the user. EyeZy pricing. 1-month plan, $38.39 per month. 3-month plan, $22.39 per month. 12-month plan, $7.99 per month. Check description for special discount. Number 5. Moniterro. Moniterro is another excellent option for those looking to keep an eye on their spouse's phone. It offers real-time monitoring of messages, call logs, and browsing history. You can even view deleted messages, making it easier to track any suspicious activity. The app also lets you track the device's location and see the apps your spouse is using. Moniterro have many excellent key features. Number 1. Message and call tracking. Moniterro gives you access to call logs, text messages, and even deleted messages. Number 2. Browsing history monitoring. You can see the browsing history of the target device, including visited websites and bookmarked pages. Number 3. Real-time location tracking. You can track the device's location in real time, with a detailed view of location history. Number 4. Monitor installed apps gives you insight into what apps are installed on the target device and their usage. Number 5. Stealth Mode. The app runs invisibly in the background to avoid detection by the user. Moniterro pricing plan. Moniterro 1-month plan, $46.62 per month. 3-month plan, $27.19 per month. 12-month plan, $9.71 per month. Check description for Visit Moniterro. Number 6. Spynger. Spynger is a highly effective app for tracking social media activities and messages. Spynger allows you to monitor everything from WhatsApp to Viber, Facebook, and even Skype. The app also provides GPS tracking and access to multimedia files, such as photos and videos stored on the target device. Whether your spouse is chatting or sharing photos, Spynger has it all covered. Spynger have many key features. Now let's know some key features details. Number 1. Social media monitoring. Spynger tracks conversations and media shared across WhatsApp, Facebook, Skype, and other social platforms. Number 2. Multimedia file access. Spynger gives you access to all photos and videos stored on the target device, allowing you to view media files and deleted content. Number 3. GPS location tracking. Tracks the live location of the device and provides historical location data. Number 4. Call recording. You can record phone calls and listen to live conversations happening on the device. Number 5. Works on both Android and iOS. This app compatible with major mobile operating systems without rooting or jailbreaking the phone. Now let's talk about Spynger pricing. Smartphone plan $89 per month. Tablet plan $89 per month. Computer plan $49 per month. All-in-one plan for $179 per year. Check description for Visit Spynger. Number 7. Flexi. Flexi is one of the most advanced spy apps available today. It offers powerful features like call interception and recording, allowing you to listen to live phone calls or record them for later review. In addition to that, Flexi also lets you track the phone's location, monitor texts, and access social media activity. Its comprehensive feature set makes it a great choice if you need full control over the target device. Flexi key features. Number 1. Call interception and recording. Flexi allows you to listen to live calls or record them for review later. You can also track call logs and contact details. Number 2. Monitor messages and social media apps. Track SMS, emails, and activities on social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, Skype, and more. Number 3. Remote camera access. Flexi allows you to remotely control the phone's camera to take pictures or videos without the user's knowledge. Number 4. Keylogger and password cracker. You can record every keystroke typed on the device, including passwords. Number 5. Stealth mode. The app is completely invisible to the user. Let's talk about Flexi pricing. Android Lite plan $49.95 per month. iPhone Lite plan $49.95 per month. iPad plan $79 per month. Computer plan $79 per month. Check description for Visit Flexi. And there you have it, the 7 best spy apps to help you uncover the truth if you suspect your partner might be cheating. These tools offer a range of features from call monitoring and social media tracking to real-time location updates. However, it's important to remember that using these apps comes with legal and ethical responsibilities, so always be mindful of privacy laws in your region. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Got any questions or need further information? Drop a comment below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.